queens, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever, baby loves? Okay, how y'all doing or whatever? Oldie but goodies, what's up, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. Nice to see you again. Hello somebody. And if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe, because baby, you could have skipped by but you stayed. Okay, so thank you for your time. So as you guys can see by the title, your girl is counting her cash envelopes and sinking funds because we just need to see where we starting the month off. Okay, because baby have you watched my September monthly budget? Okay, like it's a whole lot of change. So I just need to see where I'm at. So the first thing, y'all, look at my bag. Isn't she like the bougiest thing? I love her. She is my type of bag, like loves her. But this is my work bag, and your girl keeps her cash envelopes on her. Okay, I keep that thing on me. So I keep my cash envelope binder in here. Y'all, I really just wanted to show off my bag. Listen, this was a pre-September buy, aka this was on the credit card. It shouldn't have been, but you know, what doesn't kill you make you stronger, and that is budgeting. Let's get into it. So it is what it is, but we're gonna count up everything because I have realized that I have been spoiled in my budgeting journey so far, and so right now I need to buckle down. So let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so this is my cash envelopes / sinking funds page of my cash envelope situation setup. So we're gonna start off with the cash envelopes just to see where we're at. And this is my binder. I got it from who did I get this from? What's her name? Triple M's Craft. I forgot what her or Triple MTV. I forgot what her Etsy shop is called. Shamika. I forgot what her Etsy shop is called, but it's okay. So in here currently I have, let me move this. I have 5, 10, 15, 16. Ooh, these are crispy. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and then we get to Dusty. So in groceries I have $22 left over. So that's what we're gonna begin with, and this is from August, and I have me a little dollar coupon for my Kellogg stuff. I just keep it in here too. So yep, sure do. Okay, if I could get me my $1 or $2 off, I would. Fuel has nothing in there because child, yes, nothing. So that's nada. Crown has nothing. Allowance. Was that a joke? Was there gonna be something in there? No. Allowance has nothing. Household has nothing. Toiletries has nothing. Clothing has nothing. I know this seems like nobody got no money. Support a friend has nothing. YouTube currently has $10. Okay, YouTube has $10. Going out currently has $20, $40, $50, $60 is in going out. So that is $60. Business, let us see, has $20 currently, so that is cute. Business has 20, and then we see miscellaneous has nothing in here. Just to put y'all on game, because I'm gonna be sipping, this is the Welch's passion fruit juice. If you have not tried it yet, you're missing out. So it's bomb. So just go try it. But those are my cash envelopes. So in total for my cash envelopes that I have at the end of August going into September is 22, 10, 60, and 20 is $112. So we just gonna write that there. Okay, and then we gonna put back our, you know, munties back in our bag, and we are going to go into our sinking funds, which has the big coins. So This is my sinking funds, and we're gonna count them up because baby, August was my spending month. Okay, I bought things that I wanted, I bought things that I needed, and it is what it is. So yes ma'am. Anyways, home currently, let's see, home has 100, 150, 170, 180, 85, 86, 87, 88. So home has 188 in there currently. So I don't know why I like covered my pen, but $188. Travel is next. Travel has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, 630, 635. So that's what's in travel. So let's put that there. Car maintenance. Car maintenance has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, some 50, some 70, some 80, 781, 782. Okay. Car maintenance has $782 in there. Let's put that back in. That's, I did not know it had that much. $782. I'm a little closer to my goal than I thought. Like, I didn't think it was that much. Queen's B-Day has nothing because I'm going to start it in January. Fam's B-Day, at the time of this recording, it's my grandma's birthday. I need to call her and tell her happy birthday and send her some change, you know, the thing-a-lang. So, but for now, Fam's B-Day has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 650, 670, 690. So, wait. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 650, 670, 690. Okay, so currently Fam's B-Day has 690, and like I said, I got to call the grandmothers, gives her some coins, you know, for the birthday, happy birthday or whatever, you know, all that good jazz. Next we have Christmas, which happens every year. I'm saying it like I need to explain this. Christmas, December 25th. Why? I'm saying this like I need to explain what Christmas is. So Christmas currently has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 570, 590, 595. So that is 595. Okay. Then Jamaica Vacation, aka Jamaica Vacay, has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Love to see it. 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 490, 500, 1505. So Jamaica Vacation has $1,505. Okay, let's put that in there. Then Christmas bills, and Christmas bills is just, hey, if you know the extra that it would cost for having people at your house, that's all Christmas bills is. So oh, it's on there. I was like, where is it? But it's on there. Juneteenth doesn't get anything for me because it's our, oh no, I should have counted those. Hold up guys, see, when you rushing, you just be making mistakes. Let me wipe that out. There we go. But Christmas bills, since it's ahead of its time, has 20, 40, 50, 55, 56 in there. So we're going to put 56 for Christmas bills. Sure loves to see it. Sure loves to see it. Y'all, I got to buy my wine. I got to buy my wine back. Oh, wait a minute now. My table is coming, and once my table is here and my background is set up and updated, I will have my wine back. Y'all will still get some passion fruit juice sometime. The wine glass will come back. It's gonna be a whole mood doing our budgets again though, baby. The light, the candle will be lit, the background will be on. It's about to be popping. It's okay. For now, we passion fruit up though. We passion fruit juiced up. Juneteenth currently has 100, 200, 3. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Okay, that's right. Juneteenth is supposed to have 500 because it's supposed to support Black businesses. Honestly, I'm not going outside. There's not really a lot of Black businesses that I see that I want to support. There is the girl that does a satin hoodie. I want to get a satin hoodie because winter's coming. Let's just talk about it. And I want to get the bonnet satin pillowcase from her. I don't know what her name is, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to put it in this video so y'all can see it too. But that's what I want. I want those two. And she's a small business as well. So yes. So next is Black Friday, which is my Christmas, and it currently has 100, 200, 300, and 310. Yeah, 310. I'm still deciding what I want to spend this on. I was going to buy a TV with it, and my mom's like, no, if you're going to spend money on yourself, it should be on yourself, your being. So we're still contemplating what Black Friday, aka my Christmas, will be spent on. But yes, ma'am. Next is Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving currently has 50, 100, 120, 140, 150. Okay. And then next, well, last but not least, is first month's bill, which this was for all my bills that I was going to need when I first came to Mississippi, and I have taken care of all of those. So what's left over will like be spread out, you know, spreading the love amongst these cash envelopes later. But for now, just for, you know, shits and giggles, because we love to see it, we're going to write in first month's bills since this is a part of it. And we are going to count it up just to have that. So right now, first month bill has 100, 150, 170, 190, 191. So 191. Okay, so that was everybody's coins. So we are going to add it up together. So right now, my sinking funds has, I'm just calculating this and I'll tell you in a second. So right now, my sinking funds has $5,602 according to this. Let me make sure that is right, little baby. 188, 635, 782, 690, 595, 1505, 500, 310, 150, 56, and 191. Yep. So I am starting off the month with $5,602 in my sinking funds calculation and all. So yeah, guys, so in total for all of my cash envelopes, let's just open up the binder. This 5,602 plus this 112, I have $5,714 that I'm starting off the month of September with, and your girl is okay. I've spent this coins, child. Everything that they needed to be spent for was spent for. So, and now I just have me some monies left over. But that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, because child, when I saw my money dwindling, she was not happy, but at the same time I was glad I did this budgeting for moving and getting my life together, because child, it's ghetto outside. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, because even your haters, aka your enemies, need blessing. And don't forget, budgeting is ghetto, but budgeting is real, so keep it real, sis. Okay? Yeah. Thanks again for watching. My name is AnekeAnnakay, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk.